Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Now I am dealing with 10th class maths progressions. In progressions, exercise 6.1, fourth problem I should do. Exercise 6.1, fourth problem, fifth bit onwards I have to do. That the fourth problem, what is the fourth problem says? The fourth problem says, which of the following are in which of the following form AP, and if they form, find common difference and next three terms. This is the question, children. Now fifth bit I have to do, that is 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2, so on. So this is 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2, so on. So let me take a2 minus a1. 3 plus root 2 is a2 minus a1 is 3. 3 and 3 will get cancelled. Root 2 I am getting. Now a3 minus a2. a3 is 3 plus 2 root 2 minus of 3 plus root 2. This means 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus root 2. So 3 and 3 will get cancelled. 2 root 2 minus root 2 is root 2. Now a4 minus a3. 3 plus 3 root 2 minus of 3 plus 2 root 2. That is 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 minus 2 root 2. So here also plus 3 minus 3 will get cancelled. 3 minus 2 is 1, that is root 2. See, all of them are having root 2. That means common difference is root 2. Since common difference is root 2, they form an AP. So the given sequence is in the form of AP only. So after finding out common difference for this AP, now the question is find next three terms. So next three terms are, how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Next A5, A6 and A7. What is A5? A plus 4D. What is A? A is 3 plus 4 into common difference is root 2. So 3 plus 4 root 2 is A5 and A6 is A plus 5D, that is 3 plus 5 root 2, and A7 is A plus 6D, that is 3 plus 6 root 2. So these are the answers, children. This is one answer because D also is asking. So this is one answer. So I hope I am clear. Let me explain once again. They have given the terms as 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, plus 3 plus 3 root 2. So let us first find out what is A2 minus I1. I got root 2. A3 minus A2 also, see, minus of you have to write. So that minus into plus minus, minus into plus minus we will be getting. Then only we can cancel. Directly if you write minus 3 plus root 2 is wrong, children, because it is minus and it is having a binomial, it is minus of, you have to write and open the bracket, you are getting root 2. Similarly here also, if you open the bracket, these 3's will get cancelled. 3 minus 2 is 1, so 2 root 2. So only root 2 you have got. So in all the cases you are getting common difference. So common difference is root 2, and because there is a common difference, definitely it forms an AP. If it forms an AP, you have to find out next three terms. There are 4 terms here. So next 3 terms are A5, A6, A7. A5 is A plus 4D, 3 plus 4 root 2. So A6 is A plus 5D. 3 plus 5 into root 2, 5 root 2. A7 is A plus 6D. 3 plus 6 root 2. These are the answers for this problem, children. Please note it down. Fifth bit. Now sixth problem, children. 0.2, 0.22, 0.222, 0.2222, so on. So let us find A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1 is 0.22 minus 0.2. So how much are you getting? From 0.22, if you subtract 0.2, you are getting 0.02 is the value that you are getting here. And A3 minus A2 is how much? 0.222 minus 0.22. That is 0.222 minus 0.22. So how much are you getting? 2000. So 0.002. So 0.02 is not equal to 0.002. Therefore, it does not form an AP. So this is sixth bit. So let us see the seventh bit here, children. Seventh bit. Seventh bit is 0, minus 4, minus 8, minus 12, so on. So A2 minus A1 is minus 4 minus 0, that is minus 4. And A3 minus A2. Minus 8 minus of minus 4. That is minus 8 plus 4 minus 4. So A4 minus A3. That is minus 12 minus of minus 8. Minus 12 plus 8 is again minus 4. So you see in all the cases common difference exists. So D is equal to minus 4. So therefore it forms an AP. Now if it forms an AP, now the next three terms. The next three terms are, what are they? 1, 2, 3, 4. That is A5, A6, A7. So let us see what is A5. A5 is equal to A plus 4D. What is A? A is 0. Plus 4 into what is D? Minus 4. So how much are you getting? Minus 60. A6 is A plus 5D. That is 0 plus 5 into minus 4. 0 minus 20. So minus 20 is the answer here. Then A7 is A plus 6D. That is 0 plus 6 into minus 4. That is 0 minus 24. So that is minus 24. So these are the next three terms of this, children. Please note it down. So let me explain once again. This sixth problem is 0.2, 0.22, 0.222, 0.2222, so on it is there. So A2 minus A1, if I do 0.22 minus 0.2, so 0.2, it should be in units place only. This place values you should know. Lower classes you have learned, children. 0.2 means 20 it is actually. So you can take out you will get 0.02 is the difference. And A3 minus A2, 0.222 minus 0.22. So you will be getting 2 here, 0, 0, 0.002. Now here itself we will find that there is no equality. Then we need not proceed further. 0.02 is not equal to 0.002. So it does not form an AP. So there is no question of finding the next three terms. Now seventh problem. They have given the values as 0, minus 4, minus 8, minus 12, so on. So A2 minus A1 is minus 4 minus 0, that is minus 4. A3 minus A2 is minus 8 minus of minus 4. Don't forget to keep the bracket, children. Minus 8 plus 4, that is minus 4. Again A4 minus A3, minus 12 minus of minus 8, that is minus 12 plus 8, that is equal to minus 4. So you have got all common differences as minus 4. So D you have got. So it forms an AP. Now the next three terms, 1, 2, 3, 4 terms are there. A5, A6, A7. A5 formula is A plus 4D. So 0 plus 4 into minus 4, minus 16. A6 is A plus 5D. 0 plus 5 into minus 4, minus 20. A plus 6D is, A7 is A plus 6D. 0 plus 6 into minus 4, minus 24. So these are the answers for 6th and 7th problems, children. Please note it down. Now, 8th problem, children. 8th bit. 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, comma, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, so on. So all the terms are minus 1 by 2 only. So A2 minus A1 minus 1 by 2 minus of minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. You are getting 0. A3 minus A2. This is also minus 1 by 2 minus of minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. You are getting 0. A4 minus A3. Same. Minus 1 by 2 minus of minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. It cancels 0. So in all the cases you are getting 0. So common difference is 0. Therefore, it forms an AP. So if it is forming an AP, now you need to find out the next three terms. The next three terms are, what are they? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll be writing A5, A6, A7. So what is A5? A plus 4D. A is how much? Minus 1 by 2. Plus 4 into D is 0. We have got D value as 0. So it is minus 1 by 2. So A6 also A plus 5D, that is minus 1 by 2 plus 5 into 0, that is minus 1 by 2. A7 is also A plus 6D, that is minus 1 by 2 plus 6 into 0, minus 1 by 2. So all these are minus 1 by 2 only. So this is the answer, children. So let us see once again. All values are minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. So A2 minus A1 minus 1 by 2 minus of minus. Because of minus you have to keep bracket. So minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 0. Same way A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3 also. That means you have got common difference 0. So it forms an AP. So the next three terms are A5, A6, A7. A5 is A plus 4D, minus 1 by 2 plus 4 into 0, minus 1 by 2. A6 also A plus 5D, again 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 we got. A7 is A plus 6D, that is also again we are getting minus 1 by 2. These are the answers, so children. Please note it down. It's 8th bit. Now 9th bit, children. 1, 3, 9, 27, so on. So A2 minus A1, 3 minus 1, 2. A3 minus A2, 9 minus 3, 6. So 2 is not equal to 6. Therefore, it does not form an AP. Okay, this is 9th problem, children. Let me go for 10th bit. 10th bit is A 2a, 3a, 4a. So a2 minus a1 is 2a minus a, that is a. a3 minus a2, 3a minus 2a, that is a. This is so on it is. And a4 minus a3, 4a minus 2 minus 3a. 4a minus 3a, this is also a. So you have got a common difference. Therefore, D is equal to a. Therefore, it forms an AP. So when it is forming an AP, the next three terms, this is 10th continued. The next three terms are, what are they again? 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. A5, A6, A7. So what is A5? A plus 4D. What is A here? A is first term, that is A itself, plus 4 into what is D? D is also A. That means A plus 4A, that is equal to 5A. Now A6. A plus 5D. A plus 5 into again A. A plus 5A, that is 6A. Now A7. A7 is equal to A plus 6D. A plus 6 into A. A plus 6A, that is 7A. So 5A, 6A, 7A are the answers. The next three values are this, children. Please note it down. See, ninth problem, 1, 3, 9, 27, so on they have given. So a2 minus a1, 3 minus 1 is 2, a3 minus a2, 9 minus 3 is 6. So these two are not equal. Since these two are not equal, it does not form AP. Next, 10th one, a, 2a, 3a, 4a, so on it is. That is a2 minus a1 is 2a minus a, that is a. a3 minus a2 is 3a minus 2a, that is a. A4 minus A3 is 4A minus 3A, that is A. So we are getting A, that is common difference as A. So it forms an AP. It forms an AP. So when it forms an AP, the next three terms are A5, A6, A7. A5 is A plus 4D, A plus 4 into A plus 4A, that is 5A. Similarly, A6, A plus 5D, I got 6A. A7, A plus 6D, that is 7A, children. Please note it down. This is 10th one. Now, 11th problem, children. 11th problem. It is A square, A cube, so on. A square, A cube, A to the power of 4, so on. So A2 minus A1. Now, A2 minus A1, if you do, A square minus A. A square minus A means what, children? In this A is common. A minus 1 you will be getting. A into A minus 1 you will get it. A3 minus A2, A2. A3 minus A2. A3 is A cube minus A square. So in these two, A square is common, A minus 1. So A into A minus 1 is not equal to A square into A minus 1. You cannot make them as equal. Therefore, it does not form an AP. So this is 11th sum, children. It cannot form AP. Now let me go for 12th sum. In 12th sum, you have got root 2, root 8, root 18, root 32, so on. So A2 minus A1 is root 8 minus root 2. So root 8 minus root 2 means root 8 can be written as root 4 into 2 minus root 2. Root 4 can be written as 2 root 2 minus root 2. So 2 root 2 minus root 2 can be taken as root 2. Similarly, A3 minus A1, this can be taken as A3 minus A1, root 18 minus root 8. Root 18 can be written as root 9 into 2 minus root 8 can be written as root 4 into 2. That is 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2. 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 is root 2. Now A4, this is A3 minus A2 children. A4 minus A3, that is root 32 minus root 18. 32 means root of what you can say 32 means 2 5 times 1 2 3 4 5 times 2 minus root 18 is 9 into 2. So here 2 see 2 into 2 root 2 minus 3 root 2. The 2 into 2 is 4 root 2 minus 3 root 2, that is nothing but root 2. So see, in all the cases you have got common difference. So D is equal to root 2, therefore it forms an AP. So when it is forming an AP, you need to find out the next 3 terms. The next 3 terms are, see, 1, 2, 3, 4. So same A5, A6, A7. What is A5? A plus 4D. What is A? A is root 2 plus 4 into what is D? D you have got root 2. That is root 2 plus 4 root 2 is 5 root 2. A6 is A plus 5D. That is root 2 plus 5 into root 2. That is root 2 plus 5 root 2. This is nothing but 6 root 2. Now A7. A plus 6D. Root 2 plus 6 into root 2. Root 2 plus 6 root 2. That is 7 root 2. So these all are the answers for this bit, children. So let us go through once again. Here in 11th bit, a square, a cube, a to the power of 4, they have given. A2 minus A1 is a square minus a. So in these two, a is common, a into a minus 1, we can say. We can simplify it up to this. A3 minus A2 is a cube, A3 is how much? A cube, minus A2 is a square. So in these two, a square is common, so a square into a minus 1. But a into a minus 1 is not equal to a square into a minus 1, so it does not form an AP. 12th one, root 2, root 8, root 18, root 32, so on. So A2 minus A1 is root 8 minus root 2. Root 8 means 4 2s are 8. So root 4 into 2 minus root 2. 4 can be taken out as a 2. 2 root 2 minus root 2, that is root 2, we have got it. Now A3 minus A2, that is root 18 minus root 8. Root 18 is 9 2s are 18 minus 4 2s are 8. So 9 means 3, you can take it out. 4 means 2, you can take it out. Here also we got root 2. Now root 32 minus root 18. 32 means 5 times if you multiply 2, you will be getting 32. So 2 2s you can take it out because pages are there. 1 root 2, 1 2 should be taken under the root. So 2 into 2 root 2 minus 3 root 2. 9 is 3. So 4 root 2 minus 3 root 2. Here also root 2. That means all are root 2s means common difference is root 2. Since common difference is root 2, it forms an AP. When it forms an AP, the next three terms A5, A6, A7, A plus 4D, root 2 plus 4 into root 2, that is root 2 plus 4 root 2, 5 root 2. So A6, A plus 5D is 6 root 2. A7 is A plus 6D, that is 7 root 2. So these are the answers for this 11th and 12th bit, children. Please note it down. Now 13th problem, children. 13th bit, root 3, root 6, root 9, root 12, so on. So what is A2 minus A1? Root 6 minus root 3. Can you simplify it? You cannot do it. It is like this only. So A3 minus A2 is root 9 minus root 6. Here also simplification is not possible. Even if you write this also, root 6 means root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 minus root 3. In this, if you take root 3 as common, root 3 into root 3 minus 1 you will be getting. Here also if you take root 9 can be written as root 3 into root 3 minus root 6 is root 3 into root 6. That is, in this also root 3 if you take it as common, root 3 minus root 2. So see, root 3 into root 3 minus 1 is not equal to root 3 into root 3 minus root 2. Therefore, it does not form an AP. So once again, let me explain you this sum, children. Here, root 3, root 6, root 9, root 12 they have given. A2 minus A1, root 6 minus root 3. Root 6 can be written as, here root 3 into root 2, children here. Root 3 into root 2. So in these cases, if you take root 3 as common, now 13th bit, children. 13th bit is root 3, root 6, root 9, root 12, so on. So A2 minus A1 is root 6 minus root 3. You can write root 6 as root 3 into root 2 minus root 3. That means how much? Root 3 is common into root 2 minus 1, you have got it. Now A3 minus A2 is root 9 minus root 6. Root 9 can be written as root 3 into root 3 minus root 6 can be written as root 3 into root 2. So in these two, root 3 is common. Root 3 minus root 2 you will be getting. That means what, children? This means root 3 into root 2 minus 1 is not equal to root 3 into root 3 minus root 2. Therefore, it does not form an AP. Then there is no question of finding the next three terms. So let us see once again, children. Root 3, root 6, root 9, root 12, so on they have given. A2 minus A1 is root 6 minus root 3. Root 6 can be written as root 3 into root 2. 3 2s are 6 and root 3 here. In these two, root 3 is common. Into root 2 minus 1 we have got on simplifying this. A3 minus A2, root 9 minus root 6. Root 9 means root 3 into root 3, 3 3s are 9. And even this can also be written as, in another way, if you want to write, you can even write it, children. Root 9 can also be written as 3 minus root 3 into root 2. So 3 you will be taken as root 3 into root 3 minus root 3 into root 2. So again you will be getting in these two, root 3 is common. The same value you will be getting. You may think that root 9 means we can take 3. We can take 3 also. If you take 3 again, we are going to get the same thing. The same thing, it ends with this value only. In these two, root 3 is common. So root 3 minus root 2 you will be getting. In any way, root 3 into root 3 minus root 2 you are getting. So in this two, root 3 into root 2 minus 1 is not equal to root 3 into root 3 minus 2. So it does not form an AP. So please note it down, children. With this exercise is completed. I will do the next part in the next class.